मुरगांव पतन आनी रेल्वे कामगार युनियन जे एमपीटीत काम करता तांच्यांनी गोंय सरकारा कडेन आनी गोंय राज्य प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळा कडेन मागणी केल्या की शारांत प्रदूषण जाता म्हण कामगारांक सुचोव नाकात. पोट म्हणटकर प्रदूषण कांय प्रमाणांत हें स्वाभावीक आसा. मुरगांव पतन हेर पतना परस कितलोसोच प्रदूषण मुक्त आसा. आरडेक्स्का खातीर मुरगांवच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Even now, even this measure which have been taken and which are being operated in this port as regards to controlling the pollution level, this rises mainly because of the high piles and whatever is it, the type of cargo. Suppose even the wood chips cargo generates some pollution. I am not denying the fact, because if the cargo comes totally dry, if it is in the monsoon season, the pollution level will be definitely low. If it is a dry season, even the wood chips are creating some pollution. In other words, what I mean to say, being a port, it cannot be totally pollution free. And since you have asked me the other question, whether other port, if you see the condition in other ports, it is much worse than what we are having in Murgaon port. I can cite the ports. Due to the downfall of the cargo handled at this port, our income for this year has suffered a loss of around 90 crores so far, and it is bound to increase. Recently, due to the above position faced by the port authorities, the port has issued a circular due to pursuant to suspension of the coal to reduce certain allowances of the employees. As a result, the take-home capacity of the port workers' earnings will be reduced from this month onwards. Port workers as a whole, we are connected to handle any type of cargo for which we are prepared without inconveniencing and creating pollution problem to anyone in this port town. And to control this pollution level, there is a systematic and scientific method of handling of commodities. Sometimes it may be not adequate to handle. As a result, there may be any scope for pollution. But as far as the port workers are concerned, we are taking all the measures as required under the dock safety regulations. Resolutions by several panchayat members in the south, even some of them in the north, is not, according to me, not correct. Why? These panchayats have not even seen the coal passing through their villages nor through their roads. The coal is being transported by a different route, and the panchayat of Sarzora, then Kurtori, Sanze Areal and others in the south should not interfere in handling of the coal. If they have got any other problems, I think it is for them. If there are pollution level created due to coal passing through their towns or city villages, they have got every right to raise the problem.